always wanted to know the secret for thicker, longer and stronger hair, you're in the right place. We're decoding some of the best hair hacks and tips that will help you achieve the length you've always dreamed of. Rice water is that trending ingredient that promises to double your hair growth while also making it stronger and shinier. Add half cup rinsed rice in 3 cups of water. Soak for 4 hours and then strain. Rinse your hair with it after shampooing to reverse hair loss. Regular deep conditioning with natural ingredients will prevent hair breakage and also improve the length and strength of your hair over time. Take 2 tablespoons amla powder and 1 tablespoon shikakai powder. Add some water to form a paste. Apply and wash after an hour. Do it once a week for some extra nourishment. Lightly massage your scalp thrice a week with light oils for increased growth. It helps stimulate the hair follicles, promotes circulation and is also relaxing. Hair knots are often difficult to detangle and if not done properly leads to hair loss. To prevent this, apply a generous amount of conditioner and start finger detangling first, followed by a wide tooth comb. This will reduce friction and prevent breakage. Pour 1 teaspoon unflavored gelatin powder to your shampoo bottle and shake well. Use it every time you wash your hair. Gelatin contains high amounts of collagen which promotes thicker hair growth. Wearing tight hairstyles every day damages the hair follicles, resulting in permanent hair loss. To avoid this, leave your hair open or opt for looser hairstyles like a low ponytail or a braid. Exposing hair to extreme heat regularly damages the hair shaft and also prevents new growth. For healthy hair, avoid using heat tools and try to air dry as much as possible. Make sure to use a heat protectant first if you do end up heat styling. Consuming a protein-rich diet is an important factor for hair growth since hair follicles are mostly made up of protein. Adding leafy vegetables, eggs, citrus fruits, and nuts and seeds to your diet will help boost your hair health. Although cutting your hair will not directly induce growth, but trimming those damaged split ends will prevent your hair from breakage, making it look fuller and healthier. Trim ½ inch of your hair every 8 weeks for a healthier looking mane. Stress is known to cause temporary hair loss. Manage stress by exercising, indulge in your favorite hobbies, and surround yourself with positive people. We hope these tips will help you speed up the growth of your hair. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.